how to change board type in monday.com. Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. In this video I'm going to show you step by step how to change your board type in monday.com. So if you add item here to create a board like this, there are three type of board. You can click new board here just for example, and there are three types. The first one is main, so visible to everyone in your account. And then the second one is private, for working privately, alone, or with selected team members. And the third one is shareable, for working privately with guests outside your account. So maybe the when you create your board, you will gonna choose this one, and you can create it. And you want to change your type. I'm gonna show you in this video. So let's say you want to change this board. You can choose the board you want to change the type. I'm gonna choose this board. Click three dots here in the board name, and then as you can see there is option to change type. As you can see, you can change to private or shareable. Let's say I'm gonna choose private. So as you can see, private boards are visible only to subscribers, and people who access this board without subscribing will no longer have access. And you can choose whether to invite item assigners to this board, invite them or don't invite, and then you can just change board to private. Or if you want to change it to shareable, you can just click change to shareable, and you can choose, let's say, this one. And then I'm gonna choose a change board to shareable, and it's done. So that's it. If you found this video helpful, please like this video and subscribe to my channel. Thank you.